Hi guys, good morning. Good morning to everyone. We will see what kind of trades we are going to get today. देखते हैं यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. So this is something I was expecting. ये वाला ट्रेड लेने के लिए अभी 2 मिनट और बाकी है. So फिर देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है. ठीक है. So let's see. डेली एनालिसिस कैसे किया हमने, कौन सा ट्रेड ये क्यों हुआ है. So we'll see that. थोड़ा let people join so we can understand it. One second. So I'll just try to see. Let my 1 minute break. Hi, Mehta. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, all. So I will just go for this. Let this gonna break out. Okay. This one is my 5 minute. 33, 31. Hi, Hardik. ये वाला ट्रेड पे कोई एंटर हुआ है? थोड़ा बड़ा एसएल ले रहा है. लेट्स सी. ये आ रहा है. थोड़ा सा मैं वेट करूंगा. लेट्स सी कैंडल क्लोज. I am inside the trade now. और थोड़ा रिट्रेसमेंट दे रहा है क्या, देखते हैं. हाय माल. हाय नील. There is a trade, but only thing is that the SL is high, either in 5 minutes, even in 1 minute as well. So check that at least up to this. Manage your SL because it's a bigger candle. 15 minute is broken out. The way explained. सुरेंद्र, अरे तुमको पिंक किया था यार मैंने. थोड़ा लाइव पे रहो. सो मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा ये वाले ट्रेड्स कैसे हो रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है. हाय आइजिन. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट 15 मिनट इज क्लोजिंग. 13 मिनट. सो ये वाला ट्रेड ऊपर जाएगा भी. That should be my safest SL, but it's huge, guys. It's huge, so manage your risk accordingly. यहीं से फॉल करेगा, रिट्रेस भी नहीं होगा एक्चुअल. देख लेते हैं क्या हो रहा है. ठीक है, बट सेफ साइड के लिए जो भी हो एसएल डाल के रखें. पुट योर एसएल गाइस. अगर एसएल नहीं डालोगे देन it may blast as well, so you can't help it out. So put your SL. Our direction is sell right now. It's a clear sell, guys. It's a high probable setup, but Only thing is that you never know what can happen in the market. So just be ready for that. That's all. That's the only thing I can tell you guys. सुरेंद्र, अभी क्या चल रहा है? अभी कौन से ये पे 1 hour OHLC waiting to be broken? Okay, 1 hour OHLC waiting to be broken. This one, we're talking about this one, right? Okay, let's see that. यहाँ तक you are expecting this to be, but only thing is that you have hurdles over here, this areas. कितना बैक टेस्टिंग हुआ है सुरेंद्र? अभी समझ में आ रहा है ये वाला ट्रेड हमने क्यों लिया है? Guys, I will speak in my local language as well and English as well. So trade is in front of you. ओके, मैं डेली लाइव आ रहा हूँ तो आज से बैठते हैं फिर और एक बार. Hey Chris, hey, you guys are not sleeping, man. You Canadians, you please at least sleep, you know. What is the time right now? 5 minutes, 15 minutes before 1 hour. Yes, so to manage TP accordingly. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So my the safest one will be this level, guys. 200 pips. 200 pips we should capture right now. We should capture 1:249. What is guys? You sleep at least, man. See, there is nothing to. You don't need to run behind the trades, guys. Seriously. Oh my bad, man. At least you guys sleep. You know, we will see New York sessions. That's not an issue. And yesterday I was so surprised. New York we have captured multiple trades. Ideally, in the pre-New York only, I actually used to do live, but I thought like I will sit the whole New York session nowadays. Like, no, sleep, guys. See, trading can happen any point of time. Guys, one more thing we'll do, okay? Over the weekend, I understand that you guys were so committed to your work and you might not be free. But you know, over the weekend, if you can spend 1 hour a day, maybe we can look for BTC USD. Okay, if you are having a small account just for a try, yeah, not the performs will not allow you to do weekend trading. So we can go for like BTC USD charts and we can do crypto analysis. Okay, over the weekend, I cannot spend more time as well you, but if you guys like to have that, we will do BTC USD, Ethereum, Solana, you know, SOL USDT. So all those pairs we can do weekend. Yes, BTC, ETH, SOL, main like crypto ones, not the meme coins. Okay, so we can do the analysis and we will try to take trades if you have some real account. So that days you can utilize. If your crypto is aligning with your strategy, then we will do crypto as well. The crypto I have already tested, back tested, everything fine, good. But the only thing is that this is a high volatile market more than gold as well. So you need to be very cautious when you are taking a trade. So I will be there another 30 minutes only, guys. 12 o'clock I need to log out. Dubai time, sorry, India time. And I will join again on New York, but expecting that this trade to hit at least 200 pips. 200 pips, please exit if it is giving me that. Let's not prolong it anymore, or let's not try to, what you can say, it will go to 1 hour OHLC and all those. We will not think about that. The ideal SL will be on top of this candle, guys. Ideal SL, okay? The 1 hour candle. So which is about 7 minutes to close. So hold that trade. Let's see how it goes. सुरेंद्र, ये वाला ट्रेड समझ पा रहे हो क्यों लिया मैंने? हाँ, 5 मिनट। सी, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि 5 मिनट और 1 मिनट एंड 15 मिनट सब एक ही जगह पे मिल रहा है, समझ रहे हो बात को? सो यहाँ पे सुरेंद्र अगर देखोगे 15 मिनट पहले इंटरनल था, मतलब इंटरनल मतलब एक्सटर्नल ब्रेक हुआ था, बट 1 आवर एनगल्फिंग नहीं दिया हुआ था। सो ये जो कैंडल हुआ है ये पूरा ब्रेक किया है एंड इट गेव ए 1 आवर एनगल्फिंग राइट नाउ विच इज एक्चुअली वैलिड। सो इसके लिए दिस इज सेल ट्रेड। सो अगर हार्दिक हमने 15 मिनट में एंट्री किया तो 1 आवर के ऊपर है सेल, दैट इज व्हाट द प्रिंसिपल इज, राइट? सो 5 मिनट 15 मिनट हर चीज एक ही जगह पे मिल रहा है। और यहाँ पे देखोगे एक टिप्स, देयर इज अ टिप, इफ अ कैंडल इज विदाउट विक, ओके, the market, not right now, market is tend to go back to touch that, create that wick basically. So handle it carefully. My entry is where, man? My entry is 1 second, 4036.70, 4036.70. Let's see, 4036.70. Okay, that's the trade. Be in 5 minutes, we'll manage one hurdle over here and second one over here. So this is the area where we will get into. So the safe exit will be here, guys. That's a quick fall. So sellers are being active. So we are expecting that it will push you down. सुरेंद्र, एक डेमो अकाउंट बनाओ, तुम आज से या कल से हमारे साथ ट्रेड करना पूरा लॉजिक बाय लॉजिक। एक डेमो अकाउंट बनाते हैं पहले, then if everything goes well, then we'll go for the real account. अब लोग क्या करेंगे कि भाई यहाँ पे थोड़ा टीपी रख देते, एसएल रख देते हैं। नहीं, जो एसएल एक्चुअल है ये एसएल एक्चुअल है एक्चुअल। ओके, दिस इज माय एक्चुअल एसएल। now you can debate with me like this is my use, I got less than 1:2. It is like, if the SL is used, you need to manage your position size. That doesn't mean that you will not get into a trade, guys. So even this SL will be hit, suppose I'm saying that, okay, my account will not be blown up. So think about that risk management, guys, before getting into the trade. So ideally, this kind of series thing, what you do, this, 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 and then it will create the liquidity over here. That's the pattern. But I don't see anything to push it back. Yeah, it can play with us, but ideally this is the zone where I should take my TP. This is the zone where I should take my TP. So hold it tight. There is no point. It's a realistic trade, a high probable setups. If still not working, accept that loss, because we can only follow a strategy. That's all. Our TP, our SL, the direction, the time frame alignment, everything is in our favor. 5 minute, 15 minute, all are bearish, and 1 hour having a bigger sell engulfing. So ideally it should reach to that level. Ideally, one hour is going to be closed in 2 minutes 24 seconds. 4 hour, I told you this is the bigger engulfing. Same time, the 4 hour is also going to be closed. So I will see a touch of this level and then it will push high. It's an immediate effect, guys. You can see that you will see this, then immediately it will go high. So you can get two trades right now. Let's see that. We are just capturing the last part of the move. We're capturing the last part of the move right now. But this is not our area to take a trade because that is completely internal. I hope my students can understand. Or if there are new people are joining, they also ask me why and how. This is the last part of the move. Then it will react from this zone, this area. Because my 1 hour is bullish, guys. My 1 hour is bullish. As I told you in the morning, in the class, today it will range between this 4 hour and this 4 hour. If it is broken, then only you can see a downward fall. But for now, let's see. Hold it tight, have patience. Today there is a day I can expect that there will be a share session liquidity grab, then I can expect a move in London. That is what ये ट्रेड हमको दिखा सकता है, guys. Week is already there, at least in the forex.com. What is happening in MGC? Same thing. So my SL should be on top of 1 hour. Okay. It's a high probable setup, guys. Let's see. Yeah. Otherwise, no issues. Correct. ये ज़्यादा ज़्यादा ये इसीलिए तो मैंने ड्रॉ किया ये 5 मिनट वाला रोड ब्लॉक, राइट? यहाँ तक कि टच करके we will see another move actually. Just trying for ये देखते हैं कहाँ तक जा रहा है. Right, charts are looking clear, right? And sound as well. ये एक स्ट्रेट फॉल होना चाहिए, ठीक है. FOMC, yes, rocked yesterday. 5 minute, only 5 minute, not even 5 minute, man. Just a minute of job, but 5 minute, 7 minutes was live. I just came just to see that whether we can catch the FOMC or not. There is no point spending more time actually. मेहताब ट्रेड में हो क्या? Mehtab is there or not? Mehtab, no, Ahmad is not there. I think he's sleeping. Okay. Neil, are you in trade? Mal, if you are not sleeping. There is no area basically, guys. In fact, if it is going high, we should add some layers actually, But for me, it should be a clear fall. It's just a momentary thing that, it will just create some liquidity over here before falling. But it is aligning with our strategy. Yes or no? Yes, right? So, अब strategy align करने के बाद अगर fail होता है, तो then it is SL is happening. Then it's we need to accept. मैंने वो चार्ट वाला लेआउट जो है ना इसमें से निकाल दिया एक्चुअली, दैट वाज क्रिएटिंग एन हिंड्रेंस. और ये ओनली वेबकैम एंड चैट. आई थिंक दिस शुड बी क्लियर, राइट? वो चार्ट यहाँ पे मैंने डाला हुआ था, बट चार्ट तो मैं यहाँ पे भी देख सकता हूँ. हाँ, 4 आवर एक्सेल करेक्ट भाई. वो यहाँ से भी रिजेक्ट दे सकता है, बट मेरा 15 मिनट is telling me to take this, 15 minute is telling me to take this to touch this zone, and then it can go high. That's the only game. But let's see. So now you can understand this is a 4-hour external zone over here, the bigger zone, right? The way we discussed. But there is so much of selling pressure over here. 4-hour is already engulfed. Seeing the lower time frame, we are already into the trade. Yeah, that's fine. If it is not aligning with your risk management, you should not take the trade. You can reduce your position size if you want to catch that trade. Because this 4-hour can push you little next 4-hour, right, which is started. So it should push little lower, then it should pump up actually, something up to this level before fall actually. Before fall, I should expect at least tap this one, then go wherever you want to go. But it is aligning with my strategy, man. So I know it is trying to create a wick, then it will go down, then it will go up. But that is how we need to capture our moves. No other way. See, suppose, Neil, suppose this is a good trade. Suppose you are expecting that this is a plus setup, right? So now, generally, you are taking 1% risk, correct? So you will be taking a 0.10 in a $10,000 account, suppose, and now here you can see the SL is higher, right? So what you're going to do, you cannot miss the trade, but you want to grab some opportunity. So instead of 0.10, you make it 0.05 or 0.01. At least, you will be in the trade, and some kind of, amount you can grab in this, because small things only create a C, right? Small drops altogether will create a C, right? So even if it is hitting your SL, that will not hamper your thing. So If there is a trade, there is a trade, guys. You need to only handle your risk management with your position size. That's all. समझ रहे हो बात को? ओके। थोड़ा हार्दिक तुम्हारे सर्कल में भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो यार, जो मतलब गुजराती लोग तो मतलब बहुत दे आर कीन टू लुक इनटू दिस काइंड ऑफ एनालिसिस, चार्ट, एवरीथिंग। सारे लोग तो ट्रेडिंग में माहिर है, आधा दिन तो ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट में घुसते हैं, यहाँ पे घुसेंगे। किरण, आर यू टेकिंग ट्रेड्स और नॉट? सुरेंद्र, डेमो अकाउंट में स्टार्ट करो यार आज से। हाँ, जो लोग मतलब चाहते हैं, मतलब एटलीस्ट वी कैन सी दैट। क्या हो रहा है? गिरेगा नहीं, ऊपर जाएगा। ये 4 hour is the only 4 hour is the only area which can stop it. Not stop it, it can push you. हाँ, क्यों? Why? You are in India, man. Why are you just woke up? You should wake up by 8 o'clock at least in the morning. You know, when I was in Dubai, my day starts from around like 10 or 11 o'clock. I used to wake up, and up to night 2 or 3 hour day basically expands. But here in India, whether you want to sleep or not, you need to wake up at least minimum of 7 or 8 o'clock max, because your parents will be there. So, you know, they will open up all your doors, lights, everything is on. So without, you know, without your, against your, what you can say, interest, you need to get up early in the morning. So you can't help it out when you are staying with your parents. But that's a good one. Early to bed, early to rise is good for health. But you know, the more also, you know, the late night is basically, या सर मुझे भाई जगा देते हैं। हाँ, कुछ मतलब बोलने की जरूरत नहीं भाई, जगना पड़ता है एक्चुअली। पता है ना, इंडिया में क्या करोगे भाई, सब दरवाजा वगैरह, डोर वगैरह खोल देंगे, लाइट आता रहेगा, तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो। Sometimes during our childhood days when there is fan, you know, they used to switch off the fans, so you cannot do anything. So it's better before they ask itself, you just wake up. पाँच बजे बोल रहे हैं? अरे यार, तो फिर रात को नहीं सोने का। मैं तो रात को 1 बजे बज जाता है यार, लाइक यू नो, बेड में जाने के बाद अगेन यू आर वाचिंग रील्स, यू नो, ऑल दोस। बट अभी फिर भी मैंने, यू नो, रील वगैरह कम कर दिया है। आई जस्ट reduced it. Due to that reels, my daughter got almost -3, you know, power. Now she's yesterday only we discovered that, and she is wearing a cylindrical glass now. So that is very bad for this. Like, I don't have an eye power problem, you know, just 0.5. It's a very minimal. But her, you know, such as like 9 years only. So, and see, so bhai, आजकल जो mobile reels, you know, it will also stop your mind to work, you know, because you got a dopamine, right? You got the reels in every second. And nowadays, I was so, what you can say, like accustomed to all these reels and everything. 3 hours movie I cannot able to watch. If I go to the theater also, I will be sleeping over there. So our mind is so, that is why we are being impatient. I'm just asking it to fall. Let the market take its sweet time, man. But no, we want it to fall. We are going for a quick trades, 1 minute, right? And that is how people are getting into the trading. They are making losses, and they will be keep on blaming people. Hey, how can I take loss? ये लॉस कैसे हो जा रहा है भाई? 1 मिनट में घुसोगे, पता नहीं चलेगा कौन सा पीओआई है, क्या है। बार बार घुसते रहोगे, बार बार ऐसे लेते रहोगे। अब यहीं पे देखो 1 मिनट कितना ऊपर है, ये ऊपर है पूरा जाके सेम जगह पे ना। 1 मिनट, 5 मिनट, 15 मिनट, सब एक ही जगह पे देख रहे हो, सब एक जगह पे ही है। तो बैठे रहो लेके, और क्या करेंगे। 1 मिनट जब भी तुम्हारा जोन पे टैप करे ना, तब 1 मिनट पे देखना। जब तक तुम्हारे जोन ने टैप करता है भाई, 1 मिनट को लेके मत बैठना। दैट्स व्हाट माय पॉइंट इज। 1 मिनट इज जस्ट टू रिड्यूस योर एसएल। समझ रहे हो? ओके। Man, have you started the backtesting? Man is there? If you are there, then I'm just asking. It can be a quick fall and a quick retracement as well, guys. So handle it carefully. It can be a quick fall and a quick retracement. One second, I'm just having some deliveries. I will come back. Hello. But it's not still falling. Okay. Yeah, we are in trade right now, Mehta. We are in the trade. It's a big SL, but this is a trade. Now it is dumping down coach going to TP. Yes, it will. It should, but the 4-hour external zone is creating a roadblock for us right now. But at least But at least this zone, this area, guys, this is a clear zone. We are expecting this 200 pips. 200 pips. And from here, it may again go back. Because I don't see any hurdle over here until unless the higher time frame engulfing. Understood? So let's see, wish for the best. Why there is an error again? Why it's poor now? Guys, wait, watch for this trade. It was written over here, Ahmed. My internet, I don't know. Yeah, okay. Sorry, I don't know. Sometimes it is getting stuck basically. Okay, so the SL is here, here. This one, see this 4502. That's an ideal SL, huh? Okay, it is a 1:1:1.5 trade. Let's hold. It should come down and then it will again push you back. M1 internal, M1 internal BO, M5 PG. Hey, M1 internal BO, don't look for that, Kiran. If you try to narrate a story with the internal, then that would be a right one actually. It is pushing you higher. Let it be. That's the area. That's the area. Yeah, but don't narrate your story with M1 internal actually. There is no point. It's okay, but that cannot be a repeatable strategy. That is what my point is. At least see, when M5 internal I can understand, but at least a lower time frame need to be external. You understand? So if you can say okay M5 internal but M1 external it is getting breakout, then I can understand that. But in the lowest time frame, if you are looking for internal, then that would be a difficult area to handle. Guys, hold it tight, okay? See, I'm not saying that everything will work in our favor, but there is a H4 H4 zone. If you see it over here. So, but we are still in that zone, but I'm just expecting it to fall, okay, before it will push you up. So there is a clear range over here in the left hand side. So I am expecting this to be tapped before it will push you higher. That's the thing. I will be stopping in another 5 minutes, guys. Maybe New York time will spend more. Okay. 2 times I will be trying to come in New York because New York afternoon session, like after pre-New York when the actual New York started. So it is also trying to give some trade. So we'll see that. And tomorrow will be our last day. So what will be happening on the weekly? Weekly, if I see, I will expect at least a liquidity grab of this one. If this is the case, 40362, a 400 pips fall, can I imagine that? Because this liquidity is grabbed, this is creating a support over here. It is rejecting from there. Let's see, Friday we can expect, if the sale will continue, if we're expecting this. Let me just see that Friday target. That's my Friday target. Yeah, it's easy for gold to move, but you see the zones, right? I will upload an analysis video. एक एनालिसिस वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे तो पता चलेगा. हमने आज क्लास में एनालिसिस किया था. Guys, थोड़ा मेरा एक 12 o'clock class है, so I need to exit. Okay, but keep holding it. And SL is bigger, I can understand that, but you know, it is a 1:1.5 trade. If you are already entered into the trade with managing your risk, then hold it tight, because it's a clear zone, guys. It's a clear zone over here, left hand side. So this is my clear zone, just to highlight you guys. This is a clear area, okay, in lower time frame. So I am expecting at least a 180 pips. Understood? So this is a trade. I will update in community as well, and in Discord as well. Okay. See you guys. This is a trade in London, and I'm telling you guys one more thing. Just mark it. This will fall somewhere up to this level, and then something like that scenario can gonna happen. So this is my giveaway for today. Thank you guys. See you in next session. Take care. Bye bye. It is falling. Start capturing, guys. I captured already 50 pips. Huh? I already captured 50 pips over here. 660 pips. Okay.